After using Zen Browser for a while now, I've come across some few mods on how to take your Zen Browser to the next level. At first, let me actually show you how you can install Zen Browser on your computer. To install Zen Browser, you just have to click in the link in the description below, which will take you to the official website of Zen Browser, and just click on download. And here what you have to do is to select your operating system you are using. So I'll select Windows for me and I'm good to go. Once Zen Browser is downloaded, it's just the normal Windows installer. Just run the installer package and it's going to install Zen Browser on your PC just by clicking next to install Zen Browser. I'm not going to install it again because I've already installed it, so I'm going to cancel. And now to set it up, just open Zen Browser on your PC and it is going to open the browser for you to use. And when you first run it, it's going to show you this setup screen for you to click next and choose your favorite color and theme. I'm just going to go with the normal one. Click next, and here there are 3 layout forms for this Zen Browser. I'm just going to choose any one of them and click next. Here it's asking if you want to import your data from any other browser, and I'll just click on next to skip. And here click on next to go with Google and next to start. So once we have Zen Browser, it comes with its own features, which is really amazing. We have our sidebar, which is containing all the tabs we are going to open and use, and it's pretty amazing. But now let's get started in taking Zen Browser to the next level. The first thing we are going to do is to take this Zen Browser to the next level by making the background look blurry, so that anything can be blurry in the background for us to make it more professional and beautiful. So to do that, you have to install another app which is called Mika, and I've provided a link in the description below too. So just install it and just run the installation setup to install. Once Mika is installed, you can just go to your start menu and just search for it or click on it over there to open it up. Once open, you just have to add a new rule. Click on add process rule and here type Zen. Just click on this one and click on add. Once it's added, just click on that tab, and here what you have to do is to change the backdrop type to acrylic, which is going to make Mika transparent. Now once you've set it up, just search for about.config in your Zen Browser and click on it. Here just click on accept risk and continue, and here what you are going to search for is browser.tabs.allow transparent browser. I've also linked the test in the description below. So once you find it, just click on this one to turn it to true and we are good to go. So once done, we are done with this blurry look and we are good to go. The next mods I'm going to show you comes inside the Zen Browser mods, and it's pretty cool. So to do that, just click on your Zen mods in your settings and click on visit store, and it's going to open the store for you. Once here, there are some few mods we are going to install on this Zen Browser to make it pretty amazing. So the first mod I'm going to show you is called Button Essentials, and what this does is pretty simple and cool. So what this Button Essential does is, if we add any favorites to our Zen Browser, it's been added at the top here, which is going to be added as many as possible over here. But with this Button Essentials, it just transforms these tabs to a Button Essentials app over here. So it's going to be pinned bottom here instead of being on the top over here, and it's pretty cool. The next mod I'm going to show you is called Hide Extensions Name, and what this does is, if you have extensions installed on your Zen Browser, you are going to see it will be shown over here, and with the help of this team, it's going to hide these names which are related to it on top of here, and it's pretty amazing for you to have it. The next one we are going to install is called Hide Inactive Red Space, and this helps if you have a lot of red space created by yourself, and it's pretty amazing. So if maybe I have different workspace like this one, we are going to see it will be pasted down here and I can switch between them. But what I want is maybe such a slicky thing, and I don't want to be chunked with a lot of icons. So you just have to install this one, and what it does is going to hide it for you, and anytime you hover, you are going to see it, and I think this is pretty solid and amazing. So the next mod we are also going to install is called Hide Plugins, and you can see it over here. And instead of just hiding the name, if you want to hide the whole plugin, which is the plugins or the extensions you've installed on your computer, just install this one and it's going to hide them for you, and it's pretty amazing. So here you can see that if I disable it, you are going to see my extensions here and other things, but if I click on install, it's going to hide the extensions icon, and it's pretty sleek and simple. Next one I'm going to show you is pretty beautiful and solid, and it's called load bar. And what it does is it helps you show a loading bar on top of your title bar, which is going to make it beautiful when you are searching for it and make you know how your internet speed is. And if I install it, maybe access YouTube here, you are going to see that there's a load bar on top of it, and it's pretty amazing. So anything you search is going to have this load bar, and I think it's nice and beautiful to have it. Next mode we are going to look at is called super sleek UI. Now what this does is that it gives you a sleek and minimal UI, great style, quick access, small down bar, and no border padding, and many more. So it's good to install it on your PC so that it gives your browser a beautiful look. The next mode we are going to look at is called Zen Back Forward, and I think this one is the most amazing and intelligent Zen browser mode I think everyone should have. And what it does is it just hides your back and forward if one of them is no longer needed or something. So if I click on this, what this mode does is, we all know that there's no forward again, but it will be showing. But with the help of this mode, if I install it, it's going to hide it because it's no more needed. And let's say if I open a new tab and open a search bar, there will be no forward and backwards because I can't be going backwards or forward again. And this is how it is. And you can see that with this browser I'm having a blurry background, and it happens to some of the browsers if you install the maker theme to make it acrylic, and I think it looks beautiful from my standpoint, and it's pretty amazing. So let's head to our settings and see the other things we can do over here to make our Zen browser very beautiful and sleek. So if you want to disable or remove any modes which you don't like again, you can just click on it over here to disable it or remove it from your Zen browser. And also if you want to change the look of it, is very amazing, then you can just choose between these two tabs, and I think the collage toolbar is the best for me, and it suits me very well because I'll be having my tabs pretty small over here with a wide screen over here, which will be nice if I do a lot of split view and the rest. So you can just do split view and it's going to be very amazing. And here there are some few settings you can look through and set it up to your personal feel. So I'm just going to go through and just select what I really like for myself, and I think that's it for now. And if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I release a new video. And also if you have a question, you can just comment in the comment below and I'll reply you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.